Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and I'm sure you're probably wondering, why am I coming on camera looking so crazy? Today we're doing a little get ready with me because I am leaving to go to Florida for a few days. It's a quick little trip, but we need to get these gray hairs taken care of. Problem is, my hairstylist is actually on a family vacation, so she is not at my disposal right now. If you're watching, Jessica, please just turn this video off right now. Just go ahead and cut it off because I know you won't be happy with me, and I'm sorry in advance, but we're going in with this today. I actually feel like this is not gonna match my hair. This is supposed to match dark golden brown shades, which my hair, the hair color that I typically use it's quote unquote a light brown hair color, but I actually feel like it pulls definitely darker. I'm not sure. This might be a disaster, but we're gonna go in with this. So this is the Clairol Root Touch Up by Nice and Easy. All right, so I have mixed the color in Developer and I'm just kind of mixing all this up. And while I'm mixing this up, I do want to say thank you so much to Dossier for partnering with me on a small portion of today's video. You guys already know, and if you don't, then you're probably new to my channel, so welcome. I am so happy to have you here. But Dossier is like my all-time favorite perfume company. They are a luxury-inspired perfume brand. You can find the same scents that you love and adore that you normally pay crazy prices for, retail prices for a fraction of the cost. Literally, it's the only perfume that I use at this point because I just love it that much. And we're gonna take a small little break to talk a little bit about their perfumes. I know you guys already know how much I adore Dossier perfumes. They are quality fragrances, y'all. And they keep adding new scents, which I'm so excited about because I already own so many of their fragrances and I love trying out new fragrances. So it comes in this little box right here, and you have this little insert that talks all about your perfume. This particular one is called Woody Sandalwood and it has notes of violet leaves. It has orris, it has cedarwood, musk, sandalwood, amber. This is actually a unisex scent, so it's good for men or women. I feel like I tend to gravitate towards more unisex type of scents. I don't know why, that's just what I feel like my nose likes. They basically get rid of the middleman so that you can get the savings on your fragrances. They don't have to pay the retailer cost. They don't have to pay a bunch of celebrity endorsements. So we get to enjoy the savings that comes from them getting rid of the middleman. So I really love it. Typically your normal like high-end luxury fragrance is gonna cost anywhere from like, I'd say $80 to upwards of $250 depending on what you're getting, and you can get those same scents for about $29 to $49 at Dossier. Plus, I have a discount code, of course, so you guys can use the discount code, save even more money. I'm gonna spray it on here so that if I don't care for it, I don't have to wear it for the rest of the day because I am traveling today. This is such a different fragrance than I think I've ever smelled before. I feel like it's got like a spicy kind of scent to it. This one is definitely not my favorite one. Woody Hyacinth is one of my favorites. Oh man, this one just smells so dang good. So go ahead and spray a little bit all over. And I like to spray some in my hair. Little trick, keep your hair smelling fresh. I will leave all of their information in the description box along with some of my favorites from them. And of course, I'll have my discount code down there. So if you want to take advantage of it, definitely do that. And once again, I want to thank Dossier for partnering with me on this portion of today's video. Okay, so for me, my gray hair is definitely concentrated right here in the front. So I'm just going to really apply this all to the front. It's so funny because throughout the rest of my hair, it's like little tiny sprinkles of gray, but y'all, right here in the front, she's out of control. Like if you can see, there's really not a ton of gray throughout my hair. It's all right in the front. All right, I'm gonna finish doing this and wash my hair in 10 minutes. In the box, it didn't look like it was gonna be the right color, but it looks like it's processing darker, so fingers crossed that this will actually match my hair color. Well, I am happy to announce that The shade matched pretty darn well, so I'm really happy about that. I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. I'm just gonna quickly show you what I'm using. I'm not gonna walk you through the whole process because y'all have seen it a million times. So today I'm gonna go in with the HASK Curl Care 5-in-1 leave-in spray, and then I'm gonna go in with the Girls with Curls Curl Boosting Mousse, and then following that up with the Girls with Curls jelly. And these two are really, really good in humidity. And since I'm going to Florida, I definitely want to make sure that my curls are going to last. And I mean, listen, it might be so humid that it still doesn't last, but we're going to give it a go. So let me style. And here is what my curls are looking like before diffusing. Looking good, looking good. All right, hair is done and it looks amazing. These products never do me wrong. Soft, voluminous curls that are gonna last, hopefully, even in the Florida humidity. Now I need to go slap on some makeup. All right, welcome to my makeup room. And the first thing I'm gonna go in with is the Flawless Filter. What is this? It's not a foundation. I don't know. The Flawless Filter stuff from Charlotte Tilbury. I use it in light medium. I kind of use this sort of as like a primer just to give my skin some more glow because we love the glow. Or at least I love the glow. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with the Luminous Silk Foundation by Giorgio Armani. This is one of my favorites and I am running out of time, y'all. I need to hurry up. Why do I always wait till the last minute to get all of my packing done? It's all about the element of surprise. Will she make it in time or will she miss her flight? Going in with some concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape, and I basically always go in with this whenever I need to make sure that my concealer's not going to crease, because this is the only one that I feel like has ever done really great for me. And I'm just gonna set those areas that I just concealed with a little bit of powder. I'm going in with the Peach Perfect powder from, what is this? Too Faced. Now I'm gonna go in with the Primer Infused Bronzer by e.l.f. This is the Forever Sunkissed shade. This is just so good. It's so smooth and I really do like the color of it. Next, going in with some blush. I'm gonna go with the Pixi on the Glow blush. I'm pretty sure I've talked to you guys. Oh no, what happened? No. It's stuck in there. What? Oh, my blush is stuck in there. This is my favorite one. I am so sad, y'all. It will not come out. I've tried everything. I'm literally having to destroy it. We're just gonna use a little bit that's on my spatula. Because, listen, we ain't letting this go to waste. This is my favorite blush. Oh, I'm so sad. Well, that was really depressing. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Orgasm on the Beach Cheek Palette by Nars. I'm going to go in with this shade right here just as kind of like a blush topper. Just to give it a little extra oomph and almost to kind of set it as well. I'm also going to go in with this highlighter in the same palette just to add more glow, because more is more. It's always my goal. My goal is to glow. I already did one of my brows off camera, but I just wanted to show you guys. This is before, this is after. I'm doing a really simple brow, just filling it in a little bit with the Precisely My Brow by Benefit. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna do a super quick eye look. This is the Summer Solis eyeshadow palette from Nars. Anytime I want like a really pretty quick look, this is the palette that I have been gravitating towards and I just love it. I'm gonna go in with this shade first and just pop that in my crease. Again, this is like airport travel day, so I'm not doing anything crazy. It's just gonna be a quick, pretty little look, okay? Now going in with a little more precise of a blending brush, I'm gonna go in with that little bit of a darker shade, and I'm gonna use that just to really help define that crease a little bit more. Just like that. Super easy. Also mixed those two matte shades and used them right underneath of my waterline. And now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Oh, this shade is so pretty. I'm just gonna use my finger and pop that right on my lid. Sticking with the glowy theme, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. This is the No Budge eyeshadow stick in Champagne Crystal. And I like to use this just as a highlight. So I'm gonna highlight the inner corner of my eye and my waterline. Just a smidge right under that brow bone, just to give it a tidy pop. Even use this as a nose highlight as well. I did end up going in with a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Feline Flick, just to give a tiny, tiny little bit of a winglet. And then I'm going in with the Lift and Define 5D Lash Extreme Extra Dimension Mascara from Makeup Revolution. This isn't my favorite mascara, but it does a decent job. Lashes are done, and now all we have is lips, and I'm actually gonna do a TikTok video testing out this product right here. This is the Skingasm Liquid Blading Peel and Reveal Lip Color. So I'm gonna insert my TikTok video here. I've been hearing a lot about liquid blading, and today we're testing it out. Apply 2 to 3 thick layers of the lip mask, and then we're gonna let it dry for 45 seconds. And then there's a little spray activator that you spray on the lips, and it turns it into a peel off mask. I got the shade Coral. Go in and try to do 2 to 3 even layers. Let it dry for 45 seconds. Peel from the corner of your mouth. This is like the perfect like stained popsicle lip look. You need this in your life right now. So good, so good. Okay, I am so in love with this lip product I just tried out. I'm gonna leave the information in the description box, but y'all, it's so good. Okay, going in with my finishing spray. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury. And here is the finished makeup look. I'm gonna show you guys the outfit that I am wearing to the airport today. Here is my airport outfit today. It's super comfortable. These are little Converse sneakers, and these little pants I just got from Amazon. I'll leave them linked in the description box. This long shirt is from American Eagle, and then I just have a little white tank top underneath. So that is the airport vibe today. Super comfy. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I got my hair colored, I got my makeup done. I am dressed and ready to go to Florida. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me today. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll definitely do more videos like this, and we can chit chat about some things. If you guys have some topics you want to talk about, leave them in the comments below, because I would love to do some more like chit chat, get ready with me sort of videos. I definitely have some life updates for you guys. I think that is it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace out.